some customers may not be able to distinguish between pre-bending and non-pre-bending when purchasing a plate rolling machine. Should they choose a plate rolling machine with pre-bending or without pre-bending? Do you also have this problem? The main difference between pre-bending and non-pre-bending is the straight edge at the interface. A plate rolling machine without pre-bending is generally a regular symmetrical 3-roller plate rolling machine. During the rolling process, there will be a certain width of dead edges left at both ends of the plate. After being rolled into a cylinder, the straight edges at both ends need to be removed. Due to the inability to completely remove the remainder of the plate during rounding, it will cause significant weld stress and easily lead to quality degradation and machine equipment safety accidents. The plate rolling machine with pre-bending does not have the problem of rounding, and there is no straight edge at the joint of the pre-bending cylinder, which is a standard error. Plate rolling machine with pre-bending is generally divided into mechanical symmetrical 3-roller plate rolling machine, upper roller universal 3-roller plate rolling machine, and the hydraulic 4-roller plate rolling machine. These models with pre-bending function are low in cost and widely used. The machine with pre-bending has more straight edge, flexible operation, no empty stroke, and high efficiency. The above is the difference between pre-bending and non-pre-bending. Have you got it? We will see you next time.